I'm at the Darling Buds Clinic with Dr. Tejinder Bhatti. This is a touch-up to my earlier transplant that I got done from Darling Buds and with Dr. Bhatti. This was about 10 years back that the first time I got my hair transplant done. It has been an amazing journey. It has added to my confidence, not to mention that it has definitely enhanced my cosmetic appearance, which has given me great confidence. I am extremely delighted and happy to have met Dr. Bhatti and got this procedure done. It was an amazing experience. The infrastructure, the medical equipment, the kind of care and attention that they give at Darling Buds, it's just amazing and out of the world. I encourage everyone who's looking out for something to do with their hair loss problems or hair transplant problems, definitely get in touch with Dr. Bhatti. He is the best in the country. I know a lot of friends who are from abroad who also travel all the way to India to get this procedure done. He is just like one-stop solution for all your hair problems. No wonder he has so many celebrity, VIP and people from the film industry as his clients. I have been in touch with Dr. Bhatti since last 10 years. Every time I have any questions or any genuine doubts about how to get to what is the solution for the problem that I'm facing, Dr. Bhatti is always approachable through emails, through chat, through phone calls. His entire team is very cooperative. I find it amazingly friendly and homely environment where I can discuss everything about my hair problems with the entire team of Darling Buds and especially personally with Dr. Bhatti. So my message to the entire world and everybody watching this is, if you're concerned about any of your hair problems, hair thinning, or you are contemplating a hair transplant procedure, definitely do get in touch and think about Darling Buds and Dr. Tejinder Bhatti in Chandigarh, and he also has a clinic in Mumbai. So people from this area around Mumbai can definitely get in touch with his clinic in Mumbai. Dr. Bhatti is pioneer in the FUE technology, where it's absolutely minimal pain and absolutely painless procedure. The moment the procedure starts, it is a very smooth transition between different phases. You just don't realize or feel anything. In the blink of eye, it's over. So one really doesn't feel that kind of stress of the surgery, of the procedure or the pain. Dr. Bhatti is an amazing master of his skill, and he knows what he does and he knows how to deliver it the best. I have been to Dr. Tejinder Bhatti's Darling Buds clinic in Mumbai and also in Chandigarh. The clinic in Mumbai and the clinic in Chandigarh is absolutely a modern art facility with all the modern equipments, infrastructure, the lights used, the magnification lens used, the tools used are absolutely out of the class, world class, and it really makes you feel very confident that you're being handled by safe hands with safe equipments, which is of very high quality. One very important thing that I would like to highlight here is the thing that sets apart Dr. Bhatti and makes him really the veteran of this industry is the knowledge he carries. If you also go through all his YouTube videos where he's talked about using finasteride, using all the other medicines, how does it help people who have fear about using finasteride. His videos are very informative and educative about one really does not have to be so scared or mindful or fearful about using finasteride. The thing about Dr. Bhatti is also that he's got a very artistic mind. He looks at you from a pure artist point of view and tries to see what are the areas of concern or flaws that are there in your current hair or the structure of your hair and what can be improved, which could enhance your cosmetic appearance profoundly. I think that requires an artistic mind, and that's what Dr. Bhatti has. Even after setting the guidelines on how he's going to go about doing a hair transplant procedure in a particular case, the meticulous planning that he does and then the implementation and the final result, which includes his dedicated staff, which take so good care of the patient and also make sure that each and every step is performed and done thoroughly and accurately. I think this entire journey of these different steps go on to make the final result. And my result is in front of you guys. I feel I am at least 20 years younger. I was about Norwood 4, and it's been 10 years that I have had my transplant. Of course, I am on medications. You have to keep the medication if you want to preserve your existing hair. But otherwise, the transplanted hairs have always been there. Right now, I'm just here for a follow-up touch-up procedure, and I think that should again add great value to my cosmetic appearance. So I'm really excited about it. A lot of people have this fear of getting a hair transplant procedure done just because they think it's going to be extremely painful to harvest hair from your back donor scalp and get it implanted. I think people have a lot of fearful perception, notions about getting a hair transplant procedure done. Even I had the same concerns when I came to Darling Buds, but having a one-to-one discussion, frank and open discussion with Dr. Bhatti, one discussion, all my doubts and fears just disappeared, just vanished in a jiffy. So I think that is a great advantage of coming to Dr. Bhatti and getting your procedure done at Darling Buds, that the entire procedure is absolutely painless, and you never realize when the procedure started and when it ended, that too in a very quick span of time. It is a crowning glory for everyone, be it a woman or a man. So it's going to stay with you forever, for most of your life. So why not come to the right place and invest in the right doctor? The other good thing about coming to Darling Buds and interacting with Dr. Bhatti on the hair concerns, on the hair problem, is that there's never a patient-doctor kind of relationship. He always makes you feel like a friend, like a family member, and tries to help you, explain you, and addresses your concern. He listens to your problem very attentively and tries to give the best solution possible for you, looking at the concern that you have. He does not have a transactional approach. He has more of a long-term relationship maintaining kind of approach, wherein once you come to Darling Buds, you become a part of the Darling Buds family and a close friend of Dr. Tejinder Bhatti. That's how he looks at it at all his patients. That's a very important thing that I would like to mention here.